Hello everyone! I wanted to make a video, but I was too slow in making my game idea, so that is scrapped now. Instead, I wanted to make this video as a replacement. I found this really cool new C# library called TeamCs. We can import it by typing using TeamCs. And if you think that TeamCs is similar to something MrBeast did 2 years ago, you're wrong. This has nothing to do with team trees. Anyways, I also have this super useful function that just writes out a line and reads a key. This is so that the console doesn't close automatically. But now let's get on to the fun stuff. Let's create a bank account variable and just assign it to a new bank account. And here we can choose a currency, but for now let's just stick to USD. Okay, now with this bank account we can do all sorts of cool stuff. But for now let's just print out the ID of the account. How in the world did I mess that up? So yeah, if you use an actual existing function, then it will work. And there you can see the GUID of our account. Now let's try to print out the balance of our account. We can do that using bankaccount.getBalance. It takes in a GUID, so let's get that, and then let's run the program. Sadly, our balance is $0 at the moment, but we can fix that. There is a function in the ocean class called pollute. And now I know this sounds bad, but if you use this function, it basically puts X pounds of trash in the ocean, and in return you get X dollars. So let's try it out. I'm gonna print out our balance after it so we can see that it works. And as you can see, it works wonderfully. But, as you can see, this is an integer, and integers can be negative too. So for $1, we can get 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. Also, this pollute function returns the trash variable, so let's monitor that. But it doesn't work. Why? Well, because we didn't have money in our bank account. But there is this secret function that I'm not allowed to tell you about, but who cares, called add balance, that allows you to put as much money into your account as you want. So now it works. But what if we added $3 million to our account? And get 3 million pounds of trash? It also works. Do you remember how I said that this has nothing to do with team trees? Well, what if I told you that I was lying? This has everything to do with team trees and more. MrBeast and a bunch of other creators are coming together to get 30 million pounds of trash out of the ocean. But for that, they need $30 million. So head on over to teamcs.org right now. If you are still here and haven't gone to that website, then I'm gonna go back to the past and cause a toilet paper shortage. Oh wait. See what you have done? So I assume you came back, and that's why you can hear this, and not just stayed here. If you have stayed here, then
go to teamcs.org right now.
In the case that you came back from teamcs.org, you probably want to subscribe. I mean, you came back, why wouldn't you want to? Anyways, bye!